So a few days ago, my friend made a really great like meal for me. She made me green beans with potatoes and baked beans. I think it was a holiday, whatever. But she had some leftovers, so she sent it to me. I'm just now eating it, and it's still good. But yeah, I'm tearing it up. But guys, I'm here because I'm looking at the dollar. I'm just sitting down chilling, creating some content for Instagram and for now YouTube, because I plan on going live tomorrow. But I was watching the dollar and I'm watching what's going on pound USD. I'm in a buy for long term on pound USD, and something said, Shaquan, you may need to change your bias on the dollar. So let me show you the change that I am looking at, because I was a little bit bullish, but now I'm thinking that I need to go bearish. So this is the dollar on the monthly time frame. I'm only focused on these last few candlesticks, but this looks like a low and then a lower high and then a lower low. So automatically I know I need to break this candlestick down. Now when I go down to my weekly time frame, you can see that we have a low and a lower high and then a lower low. And my thoughts are, if price could stay below 105.79, then price could go back down to $100.62. Now this is also where it gets tricky, but this is kind of the fun part. We're going to go into multiple time frame analysis. All right, so this is the daily time frame, and it's at my weekly estimation zone. You can see price has been moving in this area. Now from the daily time frame, there's really nothing much that I can do with this information. But when I drop down to the 12-hour, I get a little bit more of a clear sign of what's going on right here, right now. So this was a higher low, higher high, lower low. And now the fact that price just made a low, now I'm looking to see if price can stay below this lower high, this higher high here. And look at this 12-hour candlestick. Now there's 4 hours left of this candlestick. So if this candlestick today at 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time closes bearish, I'm going to be looking for sales on the dollar and maybe continuation to the upside on pound USD. Now, this also means that I need to take a look at my other currency pairs like USD Swiss and USD JPY, because I do trade those as well. So I'm going to be looking at today's candle closures on all three, but more specifically pound USD, since I am in a trade on that one, and that can help me manage the trade, especially with how I'm looking at USD, the United States dollar, right, the dollar index. But yeah, so just a quick change in my bias, y'all. But let me know, like, if you look at the dollar index on a weekly basis, I know that's one of the things that I tend to do maybe 2 or 3 times out of the month, but do you see her as being bearish? Do you see her as being bullish? But let me know in the comment section down below.